everyone, how are you doing? We've just done a drone flight over this little pond. It's nice. It's a bit windy today, but it's quiet and sunny here, so we've just come out for a walk. As far as the DJI Mavic Air 2 concerned, that error code that I told you about, it's gone back. It's faulty, so I've sent it back, and that wasn't easy. Sending a drone back to DJI is not easy from the UK. Nope, it probably took me 2 hours to get it packaged up and everything, because I had a few problems, technical problems. The printer wouldn't work in my house. You have to print 3 invoices on the box. It's a bit of a kerfuffle really, but anyway, it's gone back, so we're waiting on a new one. We'll try one more time. If this one's knackered, that's it, I'm out. I'm not getting another one after this. This is it. If this one comes now and it's knacked, forget it. I'm going to steer clear and just stick with what I've got, because again, I've just pushed mine, the Mavic Air, to the max, and it's done it again, yet again. So all is good. All is good with it. I will say this, right? I don't know if you can hear me still. I will say this. If you have a DJI drone, alright, just stick with what you've got. Unless it's broken or, you know, knackered, stick with what you've got. Probably great anyway. So just stick with it, yeah? That's it. You really don't need to, I've realised this now, I've done it, but you really don't. It's an itch. You don't need to itch it. Okay? You've got a thing that works, it's good enough, just be happy with it and carry on. Okay, so that's it. I'll send you the video, I'll let you watch the video now. It's only a little one. Bella, what the hell? Yep, just show you around here. Nice, isn't it? Okay, it's very nice. Alright, watch the video. See ya.